Hello, hello. Happy almost New Year's. Today we're going to do a New Year's Eve eye look. I've already got the hair going, outfit for like a daytime vibe, but New Year's Eve, we want to bump it up, take it up a notch, and I like to play up my eyes. So the first thing I will do is curl my lashes. Don't curl if your lashes are wet at all. And just give them a squeeze. One light squeeze should do the trick. And that makes a huge difference, giving me a little lift. Okay, boom. Okay, having a fresh curl really gets the eye lifted and looking fresh for makeup. And we're gonna go in with this cute little palette and kind of go for a warm, purpley, smoky liner look. And I have 3 brushes that I'm gonna use to get this look. So let's walk through the brushes first. This is one of my faves because we love a double-ended brush. Flat brow brush in Spoolie. Spoolie, I mean, come on, we always need a little spoolie in our life. And the flat end is just so ideal for cleaning up under the brow, sharpening a lip, whatever it may be, this is a great brush. Next, the shaping brow brush. Now, I love to use this for the look we're doing today to smoke out a shadow around the eye. I want a really diffuse smoky liner look. And the last brush that I probably use the most out of all 3 is the angled brow brush. This angle is so perfect for stamping on a wing liner. It's like foolproof liner. And then of course a spoolie, love. And I kind of bend mine to angle it, and it's even easier to apply brow gel or whatever you're doing. This brush is the one I use the most. So let's go in first with this brush, and I'm gonna dip into this palette, grab a little bit of this kind of purpley mauve shade. And I've already got a little wing on from earlier. I'm building on top of that look, and we're gonna focus it on the outer third of my eyes. And it's just really about smoking out the liner I created with the angled brush previously and getting it to the desired, level of drama that you're comfortable with. So I always bring it under, especially for a New Year's vibe. So I kind of apply it a little messy at first because we're gonna keep blending. So after you've blended, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the shimmery gold shade and go over that line. So we're gonna go a little bronzy and just bringing it up into the crease like so, and blending it out until I'm happy with that blend. Of course, other eye. The further back you hold on the brush, the more of a diffused effect you'll get while blending. So hold towards the end of the brush and then go in with your finger. Make sure you diffuse anything that looks a little harsh. Love. Okay, so then I'll take a tissue, dust off the brush, get any excess shadow off, and I will continue to buff out that line just so it's nice and diffused. For the cleanup crew, flat brush. If you like, you can dip into a concealer, or you can just have a little bit of makeup remover on there like I do. Okay, so eyeshadow look is looking smoky and great. Next thing we're gonna do is use the Lash Assist little tweezers. So they just perfectly grab your lashes, whether it be a strip or individuals. I'm using these little sets of 3 individuals put together, a little trio, and I love these for a quick smoky look. So I will take the Lash Assist, I'll look at my little mirror, I'm just gonna pop these right at the base of my lash line. Okay, we're looking good. I'll use the back just to press them into place. And I'll do either 1 or 2 of these little sets on the outer portion of my eyes. I've already done this eye. And it just accentuates the cattiness of the look, and it's so seamless and easy. And of course, if the brows are needing some love, I will go back in with a spoolie and my slant tweezers and give them their attention. I don't feel like I need to tweeze anything, but what I will do is give them a brush through, get them all into place. Makes such a big difference. So that's how I get my simple smoky look, quick New Year's Eve, day to night, no fuss, smoky eye. I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's Eve and enjoyed this little video. See you next time. Mwah.